In this video, I'm going to show you how to capture your running gait via slow motion video using your iPhone or phone or iPad. Ideally for this, you'll use the slow motion feature associated with your camera, and you only want to capture right before and right after the runner leaves the screen. We're going to use this information to assess your running gait virtually. First, you're going to take a side view, and for the side view, you want to sit across the street from the runner. You want to make sure you capture them running all the way past you as a photographer, and then all the way past you again. You're only going to get those few frames where they're right in front of you, and so you want to make sure that they're going their usual speed at that point. Then you're going to get a front and back view. And for those views, again, the screen needs to be held vertical, about chest level, and the runner is just barely going to run around you. It's really important that they run straight away and straight towards you for these views, because it's the frames, it's the stride lengths that are closest to you when you're recording that are the most important. And here you can see the runner's very close to me as he comes around me. And in these next views, you're going to see what that looks like via slow motion. Here you can see that is not analyzable stride, but once he gets right in front of me, those views of his running gait are now we can analyze. We can look at what are his hips doing and his knees. As he gets smaller and smaller in the shot, we're less able to analyze what's happening. So making sure they run directly at you until the very last minute, and then run around you at that point. For the across the street view, which we're going to see next, you'll notice that we're only going to get a few different foot strikes in the frame because you're holding the camera very still. You're not going to move it, and so here we see 2 to 3 foot strikes that we're capturing, so we want to make sure we capture both directions. If the runner's really close to the screen, you're not going to get as many foot strikes and you won't have as much data to analyze. So this view is nice because we can see how his hips, his back, his arms, his knees, and feet are all moving. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to analyzing your gait.